So I found myself really working my plan and going forward, and I was learning all these different skills. And I was building up a really good reputation for myself that was overcoming my past and changing my name from something that stood for bad things and now it stands for great things. And I felt like I was growing at a pace that the company that I was at wasn't really matching. And I feel like I got as far as I could go. And in life, there are gonna be things that you run into that seem like they're brick walls or a glass ceiling. And there's a few steps that you can take to see if this is something that you have perceived in your mind or if this is really something that's real. The first step that I should have taken when I ran into this perceived glass ceiling is ask myself if there's a way forward, and then assess myself and see if I have the skills that I think I have to be able to take that next step and move myself into that new position. If there is not a new position, but I have these skills, the next thing I should do is assess my current position. Is this a company that values my voice? Is this a company that will allow me the platform to tell them that I want to grow more within their company and I need assistance in doing so? Is this company going to hear me? Once I'm able to have that conversation with this company and they have heard me, now do we have a clear plan that we put together in order to see me through that or see people through that? Are there systems set up that are going to support my growth in this company? Are there things that are going to help me skill up that we can do together to see our new plan to fruition? If that's not available, then at that point, you do have to say that this glass ceiling may not be perceived and it may be real. And at that point, you can take these skills and look for another position that better suits you, a company that does give you that opportunity to speak up without being retaliated against, a company that does see your growth as something that will grow them as well, and they are willing to invest in that.